Good morning. Good morning from Manang. We're staying at the Royal Manang Hotel here in Manang. Gloves ತೊಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೋ. So we're just heading on for a short ride to Ngawang, which is close to Manang. Check out the beautiful views in Manang. This is the entry arch, I think, of Manang. The Himalayan range of mountains here in Nepal. You can see snow-capped mountains right on top. The Annapurna 2 and 3. Bah.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಬಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕು
ಓ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಳ್ಳು ಮೇಲೆ ಎಳಿ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅವ್ನ ಗಾಡಿಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲನಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಇದಾನಲ್ಲ ಆ ಗಾಡಿಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ತಳ್ಳು ಮುಂದೆ ತಳ್ಳು ಇನ್ನೂ ತಳ್ಳುಬಿಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಓಡಿಸು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಲಕ್ಕಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಳಿಬೇಡ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಕ್ಕಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತಾಗ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪುಷ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮುಂದೆ ತಳ್ಬಿಡು ಹೋಗಿ ನೀನು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗು The beautiful Manang here in Nepal. It's actually centrally part of Nepal, I think, not exactly northern. Most of Nepal is covered with Himalayas, and that is the mighty Annapurna range. Just over these mountains here, you can just see glimpses between the clouds. What a view! That's a backup truck. It's a photon Tunland. Check out the beautiful view here of the Himalayas, the snow-capped mountains, and a clear sky today. Fast trails here in Manang. Throughout Manang, it's been like really fast trails. Not the bumpy section before we reached the apple farms. This has been more the gravel kind of, not the rocky trails which really throws you around.
I hope you're enjoying this entire Moto Nepal series here with me on YouTube. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned for an exciting Manang right here.
So this is Nawal, how do you pronounce it? But it's part of the Manang district. You can see the snow-capped mountains right up there. The beautiful Annapurna 2, I think. Annapurna 1 is the other side. Annapurna 2 and 3, I think, are this side. The Annapurna range of mountains. That's a backup vehicle. Another river crossing on a hanging bridge. This looks crazier than the last one. Oh God, save me. Oh, that was crazy shit. Okay, Ogla. How? So this is the Green Lake, which we coming through a lot of adventure to reach. We did have to cross the hanging bridge, which is actually meant for probably walkers, not for vehicles, but we managed to cross it, and now we're heading towards the Green Lake through a walking path again. There's not a proper road or something. It's just a trail, walking trail. Quite an adventurous day here in Manang, Nepal, as we are exploring places around Manang, mostly off-road, 99%, and there is it, the beautiful Green Lake of Manang. Let's see if we can go closer. Green Lake. It's a small little lake here in Manang, but quite an adventure to reach here. The lake is not the adventure, the ride to the lake is the actual adventure through the bridge and all the off-roading. Anyway, it's still a beautiful place. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned for more adventures of Manang coming up. So after the Green Lake, we're heading back to our hotel the Royal Manang at Manang. Have lunch and do some more adventure. That's the plan. The adventure, I'll keep you updated as we go along, as we have a couple of different locations we want to try out. Stay tuned for the adventures of Moto Nepal. It was a steep climb. The descent down is more tricky, and we had to cross that little hanging bridge, which is mostly meant for walkers and trekkers, I guess. Here we come, round 2 on the bridge. And that's Yogi on his GS coming up next on the bridge. That's Pavan coming up on the bridge. And then Venu was coming up last. Welcome to Manang. The second arch as you enter Manang. The first one was at the main road. Manang 3540 meters. This must be the old arch of Manang. And then it gets into a narrow streets of Manang. 20 kilometers per hour speed limit, which is quite tough to maintain. I think 10, 15, but I've been good. A lot of humps. Old Nilgiri restaurant. Nilgiri is what they say. So Manang and this Annapurna range is full of trekkers. Tilichi Hotel, trekkers breakfast. Manang Culture Museum, that's next to where we are staying. Total Royal Manang, and then that's the Cultural Museum. Crazy homes. They're more like blocks.
Well, we got back to our resort, the Royal Manang. It's a beautiful weather. We're watching Moto Nepal. Annapurna range is completely cloudy, and we had fresh snow early morning today. A quick glimpse of our resort, the Royal Manang here in Manang. Beautiful property. I hope you're liking this entire series of Moto Nepal. If you do like the same, do give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Smiling and spread the happiness. Simple. A lot. Travel is the best way of therapy. What you love what you do. Keep watching my channel, Djmahaneet. Until the next one, it's going to be sayonara, adios, and goodbye. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.